Hi, my name's Vanessa Henson, and the career profile that I chose was Child and Youth Program Coordinator for the military. I found several actually job listings. Unfortunately, I was not able to reach the lady that I wanted to get the information from. My husband is military, so we've participated in many of these programs before. So I thought it might be an interesting career profile to do. The two listings that I found was a child and youth program coordinator in Virginia, and then also a military youth academy coordinator in Alaska. So I've kind of added both of those into my career profile here. So the working environment, the hours, on both of the websites, they were both listed as full-time. One of them said Monday through Friday and day shifts or as needed to meet the task objectives, I guess, just depending on what programs you're in the process of creating and when they are happening. The Alaskan job said that you can expect to work non-traditional hours, meaning weeknights and weekends. Some typical stressors of this job would be working with lots of children. That can kind of get a little bit chaotic. I know my sons went to one of these programs over the summer, and it was an entire week of camp, and I'm sure that was very stressful for this one lady that handled everything, putting the program together. Also organizing large events for many people. Emotional stressors that come with deployments also, and having to see families go through difficult times. Typical benefits. In the Virginia job, it didn't mention anything about benefits, but in the Alaska job, it said these benefits may differ depending on bargaining unit or branch of government. So I found that kind of interesting. But the ones that they listed was health insurance, includes medical, vision, dental, employer contributions, employer paid, sorry, my son wants to be in here, employer paid $2,000 basic life insurance with additional coverage available, also optional insurance benefits. And then the last one was paid leave, and then there were some other additional benefits. I guess it just depends on bargaining in the unit that you're going to. Common job tasks. I think this job entails so much that there's quite a few job tasks, really depending on what you're hired to do. But some of them that I found, coordinates, conducts evidence-based, developmentally appropriate life skill and resilience building, education and youth development for school-age dependents of Army National Guard members, provides information, assistance, and referral and follow-up services regarding available resources that support National Guard children and youth. They're responsible for training and coordinating child and youth services for deployed personnel and their families to make sure they are educated, trained, and supported regarding available resources and benefits and programs during each phase of the deployment process. Monitors development and delivers training packages, briefings, and other training materials during deployment process. Coordinates and provides briefings on the state child and youth program and child and youth benefits and resources for service members, family members, and youth. They also assist in planning, and they are also a liaison and develops and delivers services like Army Community Services, morale, welfare, and recreation, and also coordinating for civilian organizations like Boys and Girls Club of America and 4-H. Another one is develops and maintains a directory of resources, agencies, and organizations that are available to assist military children, and also a curriculum full of resources that support child and youth program requirements. And then the last one I found is serves as the lead advisor to the State National Guard Youth Council and is responsible to appoint youth to fill these positions. So there's so many different job tasks in this career profile. So as far as educational requirements, I found two different ones. The first one, the Virginia job, it states that you need 2 years of college, as well as demonstrated work experience in a related field. They also did mention if they don't have 2 years of college, then work experience in a related field would be required. Another requirement is military or direct civilian experience in coordinating family programs or child and youth programs in a military organization is required. There were several other things that weren't listed as educational requirements. They were more experience-based and knowledge gained from other positions that may be related to this field. The other job that I found, the Alaska job, it said their minimum requirement was a bachelor's degree. So I guess it just depends on where you go and what they require. As far as the salary, it didn't say in either one of those job listings, it didn't say anything about salary, like it was experienced people in this field. It just said the starting pay would be about $48,000 annually, and that was for both websites. Both said the same thing. So I'm not sure about pay raises. It didn't mention anything about that. That's pretty much what I found. This career, as I said before, has so many different duties and jobs that it entails that it's really, really varied. But anyway, that's about all. Thank you.